Quote.
Give it here. But why not take Dana's milk? Can't I have the snacks? There are only a few baht. We can buy more. Do you want to isolate yourself? Do you want trouble? Hey! Calm down. What are you arguing about?
Stop it.
Why are you protecting her? She hurt her first. Calm down, Faye. Ask her what happened. My name is Dana. Are you okay? What happened? I'm okay. It's my older brother. Huh? Your brother? Where did he come from? Put it down. Come here. Come here. Hey, continue. Hey.
Put it down. Put it down. What are you doing? And what are you interfering with? You're
Talking like you want to fight?
Come on then. Calm down. Quote.